This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paula McClendon. What a beauty! Impeccably maintained 4-bedroom 2.5 bath home in family-friendly Savannah. Truly move-in condition. Situated on a deep oversized cul-de-sac lot. Desirable floor plan offers extra space where you need it equals in the kitchen, the heart of the home, family, breakfast rooms. Roof, gutters, water heater and exterior paint all in 2022 new engineered wood floors, all new appliances, freshly painted interior French doors lead to the covered patio, complete hurricane protection saves. Weston is an upscale, award-winning, master-planned community, known for manned guard-gated subdivisions. Safety and excellent schools are a priority. Weston offers events and state-of-the-art infrastructure. Savannah's 5-star amenities, clubhouse, snack cafe, 3 pools, water slide, mini golf and more. For more information